If, like me, you're a multiple headphone kind of person, earbud, headphone, in-ear, open fit, then these might prick your interest as well. Okay, now, you may not have seen anything like these before, but they are not makeshift jewelry earrings. They are actually Huawei's new in-ear open fit headphone solution. So yeah, it does look like I've just got some costume jewelry on. And Huawei does make traditional looking earphones as well. These are the excellent FreeBuds Pro 3. These, however, are the FreeClips, and they are honestly pretty bizarre. So what are the FreeClips? Like I said, open fit earbud things. Now, they don't go in your ear like traditional stem earbuds. They instead loop around the back of your ear like so. Once they're on, they're like super on. You are not gonna be running and these things are gonna fly off or anything. They're a bit of a fidget to get on, but once they're on, they're also really comfortable. So they stay on, they're comfortable. It's just told me that it automatically switched the left and right buds. So they're pretty smart as well. But I can hear everything going on around me. There's road traffic there. There's a little bit of typing there. So who are these for? Well, if you like open fit headphones, earbuds that let you hear the outside world, these are kind of that taken to another level. It's all about kind of feeding in a bit of a soundtrack to your day. They look really weird, but they actually feel really, really light. They're, I think, like 5.6 grams each, but they're also relatively durable. Now, the actual element that connects the in-ear speaker point and the battery module, or that's what I think it is at least, is flexible. So it's why it's got enough give to be comfortable on your ear when you're wearing it. When you've been wearing it for a really long time, because it's something new and novel, it does, like, your ear does feel like it's been pressurized in a different way, but it's not painful. It's just like a weird sensation initially and when you take them off. But while you're actually wearing them, they feel like virtually not there, which is exactly what you want. As far as the music quality and volume goes, I've been pleasantly surprised. They're not perfect by any means. If you want audio quality, you consider yourself an audiophile and wouldn't settle for anything less than very good, this isn't for you, because like I said, you hear everything around you. But volume and also call quality when you're indoors in a semi-loud environment is really, really impressive. I was having a phone call with someone and they had no idea that I was on a device which has like speaker points so far away from my mouth. They don't use bone conductive technology, at least not to my knowledge. It is still traditional speaker microphone setup. What I did find though is when I was out and about on a busy train, that's when really loud environmental noise means you don't hear these quiet so well. Still, if you're running and you're concerned about safety, you're in an office environment and you need to be able to hear people, then these could be a perfect solution. The case is plastic, and while the buds themselves are IP54 rated, the case isn't waterproof. You've got a button on the right hand side for pairing, and they're really, really easy to remove from the case. You've basically got a handle right there. Available in this kind of gunmetal-y silvery type color or purple. You've got some styles to choose from too. A little light there to tell you about the battery life, and also at the back wireless charging point too, as well as a polished clasp. The whole case itself has a kind of metal look and feel, but it's, like I said, plastic. Obviously these earbuds, if you can even call them that, haven't got active noise cancelling, but there's a fair bit of control that you can apply through the AI Life app available for Android and iOS. I'm in the AI Life app now, and if I tap on gesture, I can change what a double tap and a triple tap do. So default, it's answer or end a call if I double tap while there's a call going on, and I can also control left and right. So left could be play pause, right could be skip track, for example. It's quite handy, and I found it worked pretty well. In addition to gestures, you can also do a bunch of other stuff in the AI Life app. Take the earbuds out and you can hit find earphones and they will make a beeping sound, and fortunately they won't activate that sound if you are wearing them to protect your ears from beep damage. On top of that, you can see sound effects, tap on more. While you haven't got a completely customizable EQ on this version of the app, may come down the line, don't know just yet, you can choose between default, elevate, voices and treble boost, and based on the image, elevate looks like it is a gym style profile. Now, when it comes to battery life, Huawei claims you're going to get 36 hours with the charging case. The charging case, by the way, has wireless charging, which is awesome. It's about 4 to 8 hours on a single charge though, and that's going to be dictated by how much you call. I haven't had any issues with battery life, and I've really appreciated the fact it's got wear detection. So like I said, they're pretty weird looking, and I didn't expect them to be as smart as they were. But when you take them off, the power drainage slows right down. So I was able to come back to a pair the next day and they still had some power in them. One thing I haven't talked about though is style, and that's going to be very subjective. I don't consider myself to have much style, and so I really don't mind like what I wear in terms of looks and aesthetic, because especially if it's tech that I'm testing, I really want to just go all in and see how it is. But I've had people I know come up to me. First off, they're like, "Basil, have you got your ears pierced?" No, I have not. Then I'll show them this and I'll be like, "That looks really bizarre, pretty suspect." And so I kind of just don't know what to make of it from a style or design point of view. At no point have I got earbuds and thought of them as design statements. These categorically are, because every time I see someone and I'm wearing them, they comment on them. And so if you do like standout style and design, then these are definitely stand out. However, they might not be for everyone. Functionality wise though, I really quite like the fact that these do something different to all the other earbuds I own.